mathematics. What is STEM? STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. STEM education and careers focus on developing skills and knowledge in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to solve real-world problems and drive innovation. What is mathematics? Mathematics helps us understand and solve problems using numbers, shapes, and patterns. It's a language that lets us talk about how things relate to each other and figure out cool puzzles in the world around us. When you go shopping, maths comes into play. Writing a shopping list or adding up your money to make sure you can buy everything you want. You also use maths to give the cashier the correct amount of money. Maths in recipes ensure tasty success. It helps measure ingredients, adjust portions, and calculate cooking times, turning ingredients into delicious dishes. Dividing and sharing are buddies. Division means splitting things, sometimes evenly with pieces called the remainder. Well, that's it for today's adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep on learning. Bye-bye.